All right now, I want the three of you to hide properly. And I am going to provoke him to come to me. Master, don't go towards the jungle. Have you not heard about it? A frightening new wild animal has come to live in it. It is called a rhinoceros. Hey, are you trying to say that our master is a coward? He does not fear anyone, isn't it, Master?
Well, of course, what else? If the rhinoceros ever dares to come in front of me, I will just toss him off. Run away from here. Go on. You rhino, run away from here, or I will smash your horn, okay? Run away. Huh?
Bhim!
Hey, Jaggu, what happened to you?
Come quickly, Bhim! Come, let's go now! Come on!
Where? What for? Oh, what happened? You seem to be exhausted. Why are you so breathless?
I was on the branch of a tree in the jungle and enjoying my fruits. All of a sudden, I saw a fearful wild animal charging head-on towards our village. He was tearing down everything that came in his way. He went on destroying everything. I came running all the way here to tell you about this. I have never seen a more dangerous creature than this, Bhim. Come on, come quickly.
Come on, let's go to the jungle. Where he has gone. Come on, let's go. Right away.
Save your life!
All right now, I want the three of you to hide properly. And I am going to provoke him to come to me. Here?
Well done, Bhim. Congratulations. You have once again shown rare courage, strength, intellect, and wisdom. The villagers will remember your heroism forever. Gods, take this rhinoceros into the deepest parts of the forest and leave him there so that he never comes back to trouble us again.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Huh? Ooh, what is this? Looks like magic. Wow, wow. Yahoo! Woo! Yahoo! Ha! Flying. Yahoo! La la la. La la la. Hi Jaggu, anything new? Tell us what's the news today? There is someone there in the jungle. Take a guess. A horse. A flying horse. He flies in the air. He took me for a ride too. We went all over the jungle. Roo 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 roo. Roo 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 roo. Roo 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 roo. Roo 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 roo.
5 gold coins! 5 gold coins! Only 5 gold coins! Just one ride! Only 5 gold coins! Come on! Just one ride for 5 gold coins! You can take a ride on this flying horse! Only 5 gold coins! So come on! Just 5 gold coins! Only 5 gold coins! Only 5 gold coins!
Here, take this. I want to ride now.
Yes! Yes!
Yay!
Ah!
Come on, fly!
Huh?
You have to get up and fly! Let's go!
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Whoa!
Come on, quick, hurry up.
Hey, Beam! Beam! Hey, Beam!